Hello, today I'll show you how to install Google Chrome. I don't have Google Chrome in my system. The default browser I have is Microsoft Edge. I'll go to my browser and type in Google. Now let me open private browsing so that I can have another recording with clean browser history. Now here I can type Google Chrome, then click here, download Chrome. Chrome is downloading. Now that it's downloaded, I can open that. The installer is getting downloaded. Download is complete. It's almost done. I'll choose no. I don't want to sign in. Yeah, I can set it as my default browser and my browsers. Yeah, that's fine. It is set to Edge. I'll not change this now. Maybe I'll do it later. So now I can go to any website like google.com and access the internet. Thank you.